It's always worth a call to reach out to Artisan. No cost, no obligation, free in-home design consultation. We do almost any space that you can think of in your house where you could use extra storage, we can put something there. We'll come in and figure out what you have to work with. We will design a plan that maximizes that space that you have.
My consultation starts when I walk in the door, before we're even in the closet. I'm observing what your style is. We can replicate a space to make it look like it was there the whole time.
It takes two of you. It takes you as the customer, and it takes a designer to see what you're going to want in the future.
Once I've assessed their needs, we use some amazing software.
We could see how the room would look when it was finished.
We build and manufacture most of the components in our Marietta facility. It allows us to be fully custom. We have a wide selection of hardware no matter what your project is.
We have full extension drawers, all soft close.
We take advantage of the space that's often overlooked in the upper part of the closet, but there's also kind of hidden things, all those little components that we can embed within what we're installing, further optimize what you're doing with us.
We were able to schedule it out. In 2 days it was done and we could move in. I would recommend Artisan Custom Closets. Absolutely.